Electrical safety devices. As you use electricity as our primary source of energy for running many electrical equipment, it is extremely important to have various safety devices to protect from fire and electrocutions. Industrial electricity use have similar problems. That's why electrical safety devices is of utmost importance. Some of the types of electrical safety devices are given as fuse. Fuse is one of the type of electrical safety devices, and here indicates the fuses. Fuse is an electrical safety device that operates to provide protection to the electrical circuit when overcurrent flows in the circuit. Metal or wire strip present in the fuse melts when too much current flow through it. Circuit breaker. This is circuit breaker. A circuit breaker protects an electrical circuit from damage caused by excess current from overload or short circuit. It is automatically operated switch. Its basic function is to interrupt current flow after a fault is detected. Protective relay. This is protective relays. When a fault is detected, protective relays sense the fault, know its position and give tripping command to the circuit breaker. Ground fault circuit interrupt. Ground fault circuit interrupt is cheap electrical device which is used to protect you from severe electrical shocks. This is ground fault circuit interrupt. In bathroom, kitchens or anywhere else in a house where water may come in contact with an electrical circuit, ground fault circuit interrupt are mandatory to be used. Surge protector. Surge protector is a device that has two main functions. One, multiple components can plugged into single power outlet through surge protector. Protect your electronic device from high voltage power surge. This is surge protector. Tamper proof receptacles. This is tamper proof receptacles. It is for child protection. It is installed in the same way as regular receptacles is installed and looks similar like regular receptacles from outside. Difference is that regular outlet does not have cover and child can easily push something in it and get electrical shock. and cover used in temper protective proof receptacles protect child from electrical shock. Uses of electrical safety devices. Prevent electrical fights. Prevention of microshocks. Prevention of macroshocks. Maintain operation of life sustaining electrically powered equipment. Thanks for watching.